Hey, welcome back. This week's video is how to make a salted caramel pretzel cake. Let's get started. First, add the softened butter, white sugar and brown sugar to a bowl. Mix with an electric mixer until soft and fluffy. Next, add the eggs one by one and mix this well after each addition. And the last step is to add the flour and milk in alternating batches. So start by sifting in about a third of the flour and mix this well, and then add about a third of the milk and mix this well again. And just keep repeating this, mixing after each addition until the flour and milk are added and the mixture is smooth. Divide the mixture between two lined and greased cake tins and bake at 160 for about an hour or until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. And set this aside to cool while making the frosting. To do that, add the softened butter to a large bowl and mix until light and fluffy. And then sift in the icing sugar and mix well. Then add the vanilla and milk or whipping cream and mix for another minute until even fluffier. Lastly, add some caramel and mix together. I just use store-bought tin caramel, but you can use homemade if you like. And then use this to fill and frost your cakes. Just take the leftover caramel and pour this over the top and over the sides, and then just load up with pretzels. Really just decorate however you want with caramel and pretzels, and dig in and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe for more baking videos. Thanks again, see you next week.